Okay. Dear folks, take your group discussion book. It's on the page number 244 to 245. Interesting topic. What's the interesting topic here? People work to earn money for living. And what are the other reasons for people working? Morning to night. Work, work, work. Why do you work? What is the reason for work? Is it just for food? If it's just for food, we get a free rice from ration card, isn't ration shops? No need of working, but people work night and day. They work. What is the reasons? Okay, just here are some points we are given, and you have to add up some more points, and you take part in the discussion. You see here, other than earning money for living means what? Basic needs: food, shelter, clothing, security. There are many reasons why people work, many reasons. What are the reasons? The other reasons are the person works hard so that he will be remembered by the people. He will be remembered by the people. Like one Mahatma Gandhi, one Mother Teresa, like one Tata. Okay. Even after his death, that is his or her wish for immortality. Immortality means what? Never to die. Never to die. Always there, should be there in the people's heart and mind. That is called immortality. A person works hard and spends huge amount of money so that the monuments can be built on his remembrance. A person works hard and spends huge amount of money. He works hard so that his monuments means what? Can be built on his remembrance. Tomb. After he leaves the world, you find great tombs. Testimony is a pyramid. Testimony is a Taj Mahal, Qutub Minar. Number 2, some people work very hard without expecting to be rewarded. Some people work, they are not at all bothered. They don't bother whether you give me money or not. They work. Who are the people who work without expecting any reward? One A.R. Rahman, one dancer, singer, professional. They want to exhibit their talents. They won't expect. Money will keep coming for them if their art is good. Some of the actors, not everybody, singers, some of the singers, they want their song to be immortal, love to do their art so that their art forms are remembered and be lively amongst the people. Always they should be lively. One, what is that his name? Shivaji Ganeshan. He has acted in movies and he wants his acting to be remembered. So he gives 100% on acting, not expecting money. Even if the producer has not given money, he will act like that. One Tagore, a great poet. And see here, Mona Lisa, the Last Supper of Jesus. Christ's portraits are still lively and accepted amongst the people. Mona Lisa, the Last Supper, drawn by Leonardo, thousands of years back. Still it is maintained. Still the art form is appreciated by the people. Great Wall of China, the Taj Mahal, and what not. All the natural pyramid, all are people still in the heart of the people. And coming back to your third point, a rich man works hard. A rich man works hard, earns millions and ready to give his money for some college library. Okay, I am ready to work hard. I give you 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs. Okay, for college library or hospital, universities, etc. with the agreement that there should be an agreement. What is the agreement? The building should be named in donor's name. Okay, I give you 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs. On my name, the library should be there. On my name, the university canteen should be there. This helps the public who uses the building, and the donor's name will always be remembered. Hope, see my dear friend, now I am giving the floor to you to take part in this discussion. Why men work? You are all youngsters, having the tendency to work very hard, go to foreign, earn lot of money. Why do you work? Why people work? This is the topic. Yes, start. Anybody can start.
So, I feel great if I am appreciated by my neighbor, and it's a prestigious thing.
Okay, appreciated by neighbors. Okay, then.
If I earn more than my neighbor, I feel really great.
You feel great. That's the reason why you earn money. But you have limited your future plans or the money just with the neighbor. Is there any other thing? Just other than neighbor, live there, neighbor. One issue. Okay, neighbor. They should be
Neighbor,
proud. Okay, relations.
So
Your friends should be
friends,
friend. Okay.
relatives.
Okay, something broader more than that. You go deep inside, introspect yourself. Why I should earn money? Lot and lot of money. Is it just for neighbor? Or is it just for your relation, just for your friends? Apart from that, anything, something deep, inner meaning is there. Something deep inside that. Why do you?
Yeah, by earning some good money, I will be taking my family to the next class.
Next, okay, you want to
Yeah.
social upliftment of your family. My daughter is studying in ordinary school. I want to put her in a convent. I am living in a double bedroom. I want to live in a triple bedroom.
Yeah.
I want to go in ordinary car. Now I am going in a AC car. Okay, social upliftment. It is all individual. Okay, apart from that, more than that. Okay, you are talking about yourself.
Yeah, I will
Think
be
about
recognized in the public as
society
well.
recognition.
Yes,
That's what the second point. Okay, men like Apollo Hospital owner or Tata or Birla or Infosys chairman, and why do they work? Or you might have met lot of businessmen. Could you tell me why do they work so hard?
I think they want to make them famous.
Popularity.
Popularity.
Okay. Popularity among the public. Okay, he
And,
he is very famous, right?
And that is their satisfaction if they will be the famous.
They get satisfaction if they are famous. That is a paying advertisement, isn't
Yeah.
it? You pay money and get advertisement.
And they provide the employment to lot of thousands and lakhs of people, so they cannot close them. If like the people software means what is his name, so
Ajim Prejim, Wipro,
who are, no, no, who are
HCL,
providing who are providing that this job, so those employer, so they are providing job to the lot of employees. They cannot close that because lot of family are running because of them only.
Social commitment for the welfare of the human being. One Ajim Premji or one Infosys chairman, one man providing 1 lakh employment for ordinary people. Nearly 1 lakh people work under Infosys chairman Narayana Murthy.
So
1 lakh. So 1 lakh people depend upon one person.
So
one
they,
person is equal to 1 lakh. It's something great.
so
yes.
that is their responsibility to run their
Social
families.
responsibility is the point.
And if they have money, they can help the other people. If they don't have money, they cannot help any other person also. So if they want to help other, we need the money.
Okay, coming to your point of view, what is your point of view? Okay, start.
Apart from the money, most of the people working only for the pride.
Only for the pride, self-love, self-name, head-weightedness. Okay.
If they were serious at this work, they will remember many years.
If they are serious at the work, they will be remembered for long time. That is one like one all the scientists, one Thomas Alva Edison or one Einstein or one Graham Bell. They work sincerely during those days. They were able to explore and find out what it is. Yes, so what is your reason, sir? Why do people run after money? Some people are very greedy after money. They ready to die for
that
money.
because of the people are very competitive each others. If somebody is has aim money means I have to earn more than that of him. So such kind of thinking will guide you to get more money that we have aim now. So that is a reason with people.
Okay, in simple terms, I shall say you are the manager of a company. There are hundreds of people trying to pull your leg and catch your position. So you have to keep updating yourself. You have to keep working hard. Otherwise, this fellow will pull your leg and he will go and stick in your job. So you have to be mentally alert. You have to keep on working. That is so competition is one other reason. Okay.
And also the secure for the for our family.
Security for our family. So keep working. Okay. Once you satisfy all these things, you buy 5 houses for your home, for your family and children. You buy 10 cars. Okay. You have a good business. You have deposited nearly 5 lakhs or 10 lakhs in bank, 5 crores. Okay. After that, once you satisfied the basic needs, after that also people still work. Once they have 50 crores, they go for 100 crores. 100 crores they have, they go for 200 crores. 200 crores they have, go for 2000 crores. Then they go for, just like Mukesh Ambani, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 5 lakh crores. Why this the greediness?
They are not having the satisfaction. That is the main reason. If you are earning some money means they will not satisfied with that money. They want to more and more money for their survival and also.
Okay, sir.
And the
See-
quality of the life will be updating. That is the reason also.
Okay. See, there are two clear divisions amongst the businessman between Indian businessman and American businessman or European businessman. Who is philanthropist? Philanthropist means what? Helping to the poor people, charitable persons, Indians or Americans. You take in America, the richest man in the world, Mr. Bill Gates, and their second richest person in the world is Mr. Buffett. Both of them, they joined together and they created their own charity organization, whereby they invest their almost 90% of their profit money on that charity organization, and they keep spending their money all around India, all around world for AIDS, removing the poverty, literacy and whatnot, anti-mines, removing the mines from the land. So they do lot of things. So these two people, they kept on compelling all of the businessmen, not only in America and European, to contribute their amount to the charity, and they were able to collect lot of money. They came to India, and in India the pathetic condition is Indian businessmen are 100% against this. They are not for charity. They are never for charity. They are ready to give the charity only from their black money, just to show it in accounts. No worthwhile charity has been done by any Indian businessman. You have never found in Tata's, of course, they have started educational institutions. Birla, they have started educational institutions. You will find HCL, Shivanadar has started. But all these institutions, not 100% free education is not provided by them. It is all money oriented. It is all highly valued in the society. To get admission over there is very, very difficult. Ordinary men can never think about those organizations. In fact, in Indian businessmen, they have not done the charity as what their counterparts in America has done. So this is one part. And apart from that, some of the temples and churches, or Shankaracharyas, what do you think, madam? They Tirupati temple, I believe Tirupati temple is the richest in world, second richest in the world. Then those temples, people keep on giving. All the rich businessmen, they don't give for charity organization. What they do, they take the money, go to Tirupati temple, they give a part of their commission as commission to God. So God is a culprit here. God is a partner for crimes here. 90% of the money they go to Tirupati, the donations they can get, it is the amount which they have got illegally, the black money, they are putting that in Undian. So what do you think about this? Why should they bribe God?
God is not the culprit here.
God is not a...
Charity.
Okay.
Charity from birth, they are getting donated. They are benefited.
No, it seems that God, Tirupati Venkatachalapati, has borrowed some money for his marriage, and he is sitting there and he is asking people, this is what it has been told. He is asking money, please come and give me. So these fellows bribe the rich fellows bribe the officers, they bribe and give the black money over there. This is what indirectly it is good. And
God never said that come and give me, God never said that come and give me the bribe. It is our mentality. We think that if we will give to God, God will return us in multiples.
no, you do believe in this philosophy?
Not, never, never.
Venkatachalapati is the richest person in the world, richest God in the world, and he is sitting there asking money from the people
but
that he has borrowed money.
God-
You
which-
believe the legend story.
They will be getting somewhat satisfied by removing their sins like that.
So it's a belief that passes from generation to generation that if you give money to
God.
Tirupati,
Okay. You will be okay. Okay, apart from this, Shankaracharyas, Nityanandas, each one having thousands of crores and crores of property. Why do they want to earn money? See, they are Swamijis, they are not having family, they are not having anything. Why these people are demanding crores and crores of money? What is the purpose? Why Nityananda, who doesn't have any family, once if you want to go and attend his function, you have to pay 5,000 or 10,000. And he is getting Ramdev, one Ramdev, he is earned crores and crores of money. And what these persons are doing with the money? Why do they charge this amount of money? Why can't they give a free demonstrations? Ramdev, I believe he has an island in a foreign country, in European country he is having an island. European country is having an island, that's what is to be told, that's what is told. And why do those people want to earn such amount of money? Yes.
people want to live a luxurious life.
luxurious life. Okay, apart from that, let us come for this health issue. Doctors, hospitals, they charge huge amount of money. It is said that, you know, once you go to a hospital, either you have to suffer a big disease, either you have to sell your properties, or lifelong you should be indebted. Suppose if you have not done any medical insurance, you have to sell your property, or lifelong you should have been a debtor. Lifelong you will be able to, after coming from the hospital, you will be able to only give the money as interest. That's what you can earn. So hospitals, why do they charge exorbitant rates? And still, in the name of service, schools and colleges, in the name of service, what not, in the name of service, they make money. So what is your point of view? You have been keeping quiet. What is your point of view? Give the mic to him. What is your point of view?
One more time, tell the question, sir.
See, in the name of service, we say that we provide free service. Who provide free service?
Government only.
Government and private. Government says we provide free service. Okay. What type of free service they provide? They provide government hospital. They are ready to provide free service, and they are ready to provide what? In ration shop, they are ready to provide free things. But in all those things, they get a commission. Who gets a commission? Government. In fact, through the agents, they get a commission. Hospitals, they say it is service, but you go in Apollo hospital, or you go to a Vijay hospital, you go any hospital, the amount of the charges they charge, can an ordinary man, can he able to pay? And apart from that, schools and college, they say it is for serving the people, which SRM university or any kindergarten school, where you have to pay 25,000, 50,000 as donation. Earning money by telling it is for serving the people. So what do you think about that? Why do they need to do those type of things? That is, in the name of service, they want to earn money. Why?
They have top money means.
Okay, anybody, can you tell, in the name of service? Madam, you have not spoken. Why don't you speak? Come on. Why do you want to earn money first? Why do you want to earn money?
Sir,
What is the reason of your?
Developing my family and my children.
Apart from being selfish, your family and your children, apart from this, something more than that, something more than social cause. You are living, man is a social, we are living in a society. For the society, what you are going to do?
Economically develop my country.
Economically develop your country by you working.
No, sir. All over. Businessman and
Okay. Everybody should work. The country becomes rich. The country becomes rich.
We think that if we are not working, we are usually.
But who should create the environment? See, 2 lakhs crores has gone as a spectrum, and nearly lakhs and lakhs are going as a bribe. The money is going only for few people, not for many people. All the 100 crore people, 120 crore Indians are not sharing the money. You see, one spectrum thing, it has gone for only 10 hands. 10 families has enjoyed 1,76,000 crore.
But that is not earning of money, sir. If they are.
Hey, that is also money, isn't it?
But that
the
is
one
not
man's
earning of
individual. See, one
Cheating is not earning.
Yeah, one man's cheating. Cheating.
That
is
is not earning of the money.
That
so
is
we
also, but
cannot.
cheating is
Earning means we are doing the work and earning the money.
See,
That is.
honestly,
we are working at the.
99% of businessmen
Taking
who are
bribe-
having company,
taking bribe
they are
is not earning.
giving their, showing their accounts in proper. Many are getting their money in black, even in hospitals, actors, all the businessmen. All the businessmen.
Robbery, bribe, these are not earning, sir.
A bribe is not a earning, but that is the trend, isn't it? That is the trend of the people. That is the
That
trend.
will be coming their account.
That
So that is
who does the
that's the
trend?
type
The
of earning.
lawmakers are making it as a trend. The judge gets a bribe, the minister gets a bribe, IAS officer gets a bribe. So the lawmakers are the persons who are creating this type of problems. So it is a norm. It is a norm. So why do they want to earn such a money? See, recently one fellow in Punjab, he was arrested, not in Punjab, Chandigarh. He is a person who is authorized to give permission to start medical college. So one day they caught him, somebody has given a complaint, he is the chief man to give permission. Under his bed, there were 500 crores and 5,000 to 6,000 kilograms of gold. Have you seen that? I have seen the photographs. One man, such a huge amount of money for giving a permission to a medical college, and he has a quota, it seems. From every medical college, he has 2 seats. Through that, he makes money. Such a huge amount of money. And why should he do with all the gold biscuits and money? What's he going to do?
I think they are not satisfied in their life.
They want more
They
than
are
that.
more.
That is the
They are
thing
not
we are having.
satisfied. If we are satisfied, why do we need this?
But how many percentage of people are not satisfied?
If you are not, money means that also you are not satisfied.
No money. I'm not telling that no money. We need money for upliftment also. We need money our family also. We need money to maintain our standard also. But legally, whatever we are earning, that is the earning.
The social
But
demand is
stealing,
upgrading. So that
taking
we are
bribe, that is not called earning.
earning means how much you are expecting.
Earning means
They don't have a limit.
According to the persons, isn't it? The mental
If you are earning money means they don't have a limit. No.
yeah, there will be the limit.
If the cost is
If by the simply if I'm employee, I'm not talking about me. I'm talking like doctors, engineers. They will, they will earn 2 lakh, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh. If they are
Social
going to
social
abroad,
demand has gone
they are going to abroad. They
up to
they
the
will
level you have
earn
to
more than
earn
10
the
lakh.
money now.
That is the earning.
that's
That's earning.
So okay.
And,
Okay, now let us end the discussion. We are running out of time. So, my dear friends, in this discussion, what we have seen is the topic is people work to earn money for living, and what are the other reasons apart from for basic needs? Why is he working so hard? And we have found various reasons in the floor which you have given. We had a good brainstorming session, and the reasons are, what are the reasons? It is the selfishness that makes the men to earn lot of money through bribery, through getting bribes, through cheating, and through involving himself in scam, cheating the government by not paying the taxes properly. That's one thing. And number 2 is immortality. After his death, people should remember his name. Number 2. Number 3 is he should be popular, he should be famous. That is the reason, one of the reason he works very hard. Number 4 is of course we have not discussed about that, but still is there. He wants authority, he wants to be a politician, he wants to go in for a power, so he is ready to spend as much amount of money as he wants. So he works very hard. For getting a seat in MLA election, he is ready to pay 5 crores or 6 crores just to buy authority. So for one point you have missed, to buy authority. So that is one other reason. So these are the points. I hope we had a wonderful discussion. Thank you, sir.
Like person like Birappan, why he wanted to earn money even though his life
A person like?
Birappan.
Person like
He
Veerappan.
was roaming in the forest, police was chasing him.
He had 2 daughters, mind you, he had 2 daughters. He had 2 daughters. He has 2 daughters. He has a wife also. He has members also, group of members also.
They are not enjoying their life.
No, his wife has enjoyed. Yes, his wife has taken. Because I come from that area. In fact, behind my farm only Veerappan's this and all Veerappan.
Her husband was
Okay.
in the forest and the police was chasing him. Is he
So you
enjoying?
say having wife and daughters, you have to earn more to satisfy ladies.
Yeah, for wife and child. See, a man works very hard. His first priority is who? His wife and children. His name, he becomes immortal. His sperms as a reproduced by his son. Reproduced as his son. So he is not dying. He is living through his son. He is living through his grandson. He is living once again through his grandson. It is all the hereditary genes coming out. So he is not dying. So his property is enjoyed by his 5 generation, 10 generation. So first priority, he takes care of his wife, who is the reason for giving the genes to his son. So second priority is his second image, that is his son or a daughter. That is his own sperm. That is his own image. So he is living through his son, he is living through his grandson, he is living through his great grandson. That is the reason he works hard and hard for 5 generation, 10 generation or 20 generation.
Hard work is another thing, but smuggling like this.
Yeah, that also, so that my son or daughter maybe enjoy life in very comfortably. Instead of he is having a car, let he have a aeroplane. Instead of having one bungalow here, let he have 10 bungalows in America also.
Always he used to hide himself. Then what is the
Who? Bin Laden. He wants to attack America. America is his only enemy. His love towards Islam made him to attack. That's what it made him to earn money. So நண்பர்களே, உங்களுடைய இன்றைய புத்தகத்தில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பக்கம் 244 245 மக்கள் பணத்துக்காக சம்பாதிக்கிறார்களா, வேறு என்ன காரணங்கள் என்று ஒரு கூட்டு விவாதம் நடைபெற்றது. இனிமையான ஒரு கூட்டு விவாதத்திலே மனிதன் பணத்திற்காக எதற்கு உழைக்கிறான்? அவனுடைய பெயர் புகழுக்கா, அடுத்தது அவனுடைய சொந்த குடும்பத்திற்காகவா, அல்லது வேறு என்ன காரணம் என்று பார்த்தோம். இதெல்லாம் ரீசன்ஸாக பார்த்தோம். 1 2 3 இது என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னா, பல காரணத்துக்காக அவர்கள் உழைக்கிறார்கள். அவன் மக்களால் மனதிலே எப்பொழுதும் மனதிலே இருப்பான், அதற்காக அவன் உழைக்கிறான். அவன் சாவதற்கு அப்புறம் கூட அப்போ அவனுடைய ஆசைகள் என்ன? இம்மார்டாலிட்டி என்றால் சாகக்கூடிய, இம்மார்டாலிட்டி என்றால் சாவே இல்லாத அந்த காரணத்திற்காக. எ பர்சன் ஒர்க்ஸ் ஹார்ட் இன் மானுமெண்ட்ஸ் என்றால் அவன் இறந்தவுடன் கல்லறைக்காகவும். அவன் ஒரு வீடு கட்டிவிட்டு செல்கிறான், மாளிகை போன்று. அது பல தலைமுறையாக அதை பார்க்க வேண்டும் மக்கள் என்பதற்காக கட்டிவிட்டு செல்கிறான். காரைக்குடியில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நூற்றுக்கணக்கான ஆயிரக்கணக்கான வீடுகள் இருக்கிறது, மாளிகைகள் போன்று. அதெல்லாம் எதற்காக என்றால் தன்னுடைய அடுத்ததாக தன்னுடைய வாரிசுகள் அதை மனதிலே நினைவு கொண்டு வருவார்கள் என்பதற்காக. அடுத்ததாக எந்தவித காசு பணம் எதிர்பார்க்காம உழைக்கக்கூடியவர்கள் உண்மையான கலைஞர்கள். ஒரு இளையராஜாவையும் ஒரு ஏஆர் ரகுமானையும் எடுத்துக்கொண்டால் அவர்கள் பணம் கொடுத்தாலும் கொடுக்காவிட்டாலும் சிறந்த கலைகளை அவர்கள், சிறந்த இசையை அவர்கள் வடிப்பார்கள். அது சிறந்த கலைஞர்களுக்குனுடைய சொத்து. அவர்கள் பணத்தை எதிர்பார்க்க மாட்டார்கள், அவர்கள் கலையைத்தான் எதிர்பார்ப்பார்கள். லினார்டோ என்பவர் வரைந்த ஓவியம் என்ன ஓவியம்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, இது மனதிலே நினைவில் மறக்க முடியாத மொனாலிசா ஓவியம். ஆயிரக்கணக்கான ஆண்டுகள் ஆகிவிட்டது. அந்த அம்மாவை அந்த வரைபடத்தில் பார்த்தால் புன்னகை பூத்து நின்று கொண்டிருப்பார்கள். அவரை எத்திசையில் நோக்கினாலும் அத்திசையிலே அவர்கள் மென்மையாக புன்னகை செய்து கொண்டிருக்கக்கூடிய அந்த முக பாவனை அவ்வளவு அழகாக இருக்கும். உலகத்தில் எவரும் வரைந்ததில்லை, எவரும் வரைந்திருக்கவில்லை, இனியும் எவரும் வரைந்திருக்க முடியாது, வரையவும் முடியாது என்கிற ஒரு அழகான ஓவியத்தை லினார்டோ படைத்திருக்கிறார். மேலும் அந்த கடைசி சப்பர் என்று சொல்லக்கூடிய கடைசி இரவு உணவு விருந்து, இயேசுநாதர் தன் சிஷ்யர்களுடன் தான் சாவதற்கு முதல் நாள் விருந்து சாப்பிட்டார். அந்த ஓவியத்தையும் வரைந்தவர் இந்த லினார்டோ. அது இன்றும் காலத்தால் அழியாத ஒரு காவிய சித்திரமாக அது இருக்கிறது. மறுபடியும் ஒரு பணக்காரன் எதற்காக கடுமையாக உழைக்கிறான் என்று பார்த்தால், அவன் கோடிகளை சம்பாதித்து அந்த பணத்தை வைத்து கொண்டு ஒரு நூலகமோ ஒரு ஆஸ்பத்திரியோ அல்லது ஒரு பல்கலைக்கழகமோ அவனுடைய பெயரிலே ஒரு இருக்க வேண்டும் என்பதற்காக. அடுத்ததாக இது என்ன பண்ணுவோம், இப்போ ஏழைகளுக்காக அதாவது பல்கலைக்கழகத்துக்காக நாம் பணம் கொடுக்கும் பொழுது அவனுடைய அந்த பணக்காரனுடைய பெயரை அந்த பல்கலைக்கழகத்திலே பொறித்து வைப்பார்கள். இதற்காக இப்படி பல விஷயங்களை நாம் ஆராய்ச்சி செய்தோம். இன்று ஒரு இனிமையான விவாதம் நடந்தது. நன்றி.